Hello, and my presentation is causes of stress. Uh, my name is Juliana Maria Peña Suarez. Physical stress. One of the reasons for physical stress is low defense situation. If your defense are down and you don't take care of yourself, stress can increase, so be careful. Psychological stress. One of the reasons for psychological stress is the depression situation. There are a few problems that must be sorted out. For example, improve your self-esteem, the things that you like to reduce your stress. Solving those problems will stop that depression. Stress of the family environment. One of the reasons of the stress of family environment is the financial problems situation. If you spend less money, you will save it. Work related with stress. One of the reasons of work-related stress is the job insecurity situation. If you get stressed, you will feel insecure. Friendly relationships relate with stress. One of the causes is toxic friendships situation. If a friend bothers you over and over and over, you will get stressed and probably punch him. A study related with stress. One of the causes is a student overload situation. If you are taking an exam and you start to doubting about your answer and you know that you cannot fight that exam, you will get stressed. Thank you.